Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quen here, and today I'm unboxing my Aura Estelle. I'm so happy that it came because I was doing my plan with me for New Year's, and I was saying that I didn't have my planner, and now it came in the mail. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. I had let's see, it says make time for what makes your soul shine. Okay, so you get a little card. Okay, so it just like how to take care of the Aura Estelle planner. Let me take this out. I am so happy, so excited. So this is the little dust bag it came in. I thought it came in the a pink silk dust bag, but maybe it doesn't come like that anymore. But yes, look, I finally got it and I'm so happy. So let me take a peek and like look at it, and oh my gosh, so awesome. Like, it's so much better once it's tangible. Do you know what I mean? Like, you know, you ordered it but it's not here yet, but now it's here, it's tangible, you can feel it, you can see it. So the one that I got, like when I was trying to choose the color, I didn't know what color to choose, so I think I picked like 3 colors, and then I put it in like the picker or whatever, like it picks the name for you. And I ended up getting this one. This one is the soft Pebble with the silver hardware. It is the A5W with 35mm rings. And you do get 2 of the little snaps here. I like that. You get 2 snaps. Can it reach the other one? Yeah. That was really hard. Okay, so that's the first snap, and then the second snap. So here is the inside. I think she has like a newer version now. Is this on the right side? I think there's a newer version too, because I saw some that had like the scalloped pockets on either side. One of them, it had like the scallop pockets, but I really like this one too. I love that. And you get 2 pin loops that are stretchable. Let me take this out. Okay, so this is so pretty. You get 2 little small pockets here, 2 more pockets. These are like all the way down in there. You can put, you know, all of your fun things in there. Let's see how deep it is. Oh yeah, so it's a pretty deep pocket. And that one's even further down, so yeah. And then you have the little clear portion here, so you can put like a die cut there that's visible. I love this. The color is so pretty. And look, I painted my nails gray too, but that was just because I was just in the mood and wanted gray. And then so you also get these little scratchables here for like if you want to add like a TN. You get 4 of those, so that is absolutely beautiful. And then again, these are the Again, these are the 35mm rings. I do have inserts from Sadie stickers, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and put those in now just to see what it looks like with the inserts in. And this is actually for my memory planner anyways. So yeah, super pretty. I'm actually doing the plan with me for the New Year's, so I'll probably pop that in and like do like a sneak of the spread just to show like what it'll look like. And then I also want to put a few things in my pocket too. So let's see what it looks like. OMG, I love it. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. So there's a sneak of the memory plan with me that I have coming up, and I just want to see how this fits, because this is A5. This is the little envelope that we got from Sadie stickers. I mean, I can put this in the front or in the back. Yes, I love that. It's so pretty. Okay, let me take this out. I just wanted to make sure or see if it fits. Or if I want to put it in, I might put it in the back because I think it'll lay better. So yeah, I might put that in the back. Let's put a pin in here. And then I'm gonna talk about the planner a little bit more. Okay, so yeah, that's it for that. I'm not decorating my packets or anything right now. But yeah, it's super pretty. The planner is really soft, super soft, very pretty. And I can't wait to get another one. I saw like a little small pocket size one, so I definitely want to get that, whether it be to switch out of the little pocket that I'm using now or to use it as a purse, because it looked so good. When I saw it, I was like, I didn't know they had pockets. I did not know they had pocket size. So now I'm like obsessed with how small and tiny the pocket is. But can we just get into the scallops? I just love these so much. I love the scallops so much. I don't know. I just got another little like album from Simply Gilded, because I love the scallop so much. I want to put it on my B6 as well, so I can't wait to switch that to something with scallops on it. It'll probably be something temporary. It's just to switch out of it for a couple of months, especially for the month of February. I wanted to switch to something like a little bit more girly, pinker type thing. The planner that I'm using now is already pink, so I don't know, we're just going more pink, I guess. But this is a very, very beautiful planner. I'm obsessed with it already, and I haven't even used it. And look, I'm not really planning on putting anything else in here other than my memory planner inserts, and then just to decorate my pockets with some die cuts and things like that. But anything else, it's not gonna go in here. The stickers possibly will chunk it up a little bit, but look how much room is in there. There's so much room. So yes, that is it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.